Let's start by looking at the Excel address database that we have created. It has the first row with all the field names and the following rows have the data. Now let's go back to the label application and start by creating a blank label. Once the label is created, let's zoom it so it's easy for placing the text boxes. We now place the 6 text boxes. We can place the text boxes by copy-paste or by placing each text box using the text tool. Once the text boxes are placed, we can move them using a mouse to align them, or we can set the left margins of all the text boxes to be same so that they get aligned. After we have aligned the text boxes, we can go to any text box and click Insert on the right panel. The moment we click Insert, it says No database. Would you like to link a database? And as we proceed, we browse for our Excel sheet and link the Excel sheet. The next screen displays the linked status. On pressing Next, we get a filter menu, where we can filter the records by setting a condition, like city equal to Delhi or any other condition we may like. This will help in printing only selected records. Next screen asks us if we want to sort the data in ascending or descending order by any field. We may choose to exercise this option if required. After all these options, we are back to our label screen once again. Now when we press Insert, we again get the database option, and when we select the database, we get a list of all the fields in the database. Now we can associate the field with each text box as per our choice. Subsequent to that, we may change the font of any or all the fields if required. We are now ready to print, but here we can also see the preview. Clicking the preview button brings up the preview window, where we can see how the labels will look once they are parented.